right, here we go. 2020 Chevy Express handicap wheelchair conversion, Explorer conversion, limited SE, fully loaded, side entry, wheelchair lift. It's a Rycon S series wheelchair lift, 600-pound capacity. Does have an easy lock in the rear. Beautiful Explorer, loaded, two-tone leather, clean Carfax. It's an original one-owner vehicle. Gorgeous fade paint from Explorer. Rear power folding bed, two-tone leather, just loaded out, rust-free, smoke-free. Everything works exactly the way it's supposed to. Beautiful van. 77,000 miles. Got all the window shades, rear entertainment, center console cooler, wood grain, lighting, power folding bed, all of it. It's laser straight down the sides. Very minimum wear and tear for the year and mileage. Backup camera, navigation, fully loaded out. As you can see, two-tone leather. These things come fully loaded. We specialize in full-size vans. We can ship anywhere in the world. Just let us know how we can help. Give us a call at 954-561-2499. Ask for Jeff or Ken. All the window shades are here. They're in excellent shape. Power folding bench seat bed. Goes back and forth and up and down. Does come with a fold down TV. Does work. Got all your extra seat belts for the wheelchair. Headsets here, and we do have the headrest here for the back bed. You got to take them off to fully let it down and shut the back doors. So they pop right out. You can pop them right back in. Got the extra seat belt. Again, does have an easy lock system in the center. Beautiful van. Rycon S series lift. 600-pound capacity. Everything is working and functioning the way it's supposed to. Got entertainment with Apple TV included. Got all your power outlets here. LED cup holders. Beautiful two-tone interior. I mean, the van is very nice. Got all your lighting, dual air. Everything working, functioning the way it's supposed to as far as we know. Cup holders. We are a BraunAbility authorized service center and dealer. We sell these things new and used. Feel free to give us a call at any time if you have any questions or concerns. We accept any type of trade-ins, and we fully service every single van. This van does have a front sunroof as well. It does work. Beautiful. 77,000 original miles. Just turned 77. It's two-tone gray and black on the inside. Beautiful. Got your storage here with headsets inside. I mean, it's just a very nice van. Everything is included. There's a couple little marks from the wheelchair going in and out on the interior. Otherwise, it's in excellent shape. Carpet has a little bit of sun fading from age, but that's it. The rear power bed is in excellent shape. The wheelchair lift is operating and functioning exactly the way it should. I'll show you how that works. A couple little marks on the door panel from the wheelchair lift, but that's it. This is a 6.0 liter 2500 V8 rear wheel drive. You can't even get this platform anymore. Does have LED Explorer right here in the wheel well. Beautiful leather interior. As you can see, the van condition is excellent. You jump in this thing, drive across country. Beautiful wood grain all over. Again, it is a 6.0 V8 rear wheel drive. These are getting harder and harder to find. We specialize. We've been in business 49 years. Feel free to reach out to us at any time. We are more than happy to help. Ask for Jeff or Ken at 954-561-2499. SupremeMotorsUSA.com. SupremeMotorsUSA.net. You can text us at 954-561-2499. Got your easy lock here. We are a fully loaded mobility dealer. If you need any help with any docking systems, seating options, transfer seats, hand controls, we can do it all. We have some of the best techs in the world. Feel free to give us a call. We can ship anywhere in the world, and we take anything in trade. We do have financing available, so give us a call, 954-561-2499. We can answer any of your questions, anything involving mobility. We're happy to help. Do what we can for you. We take care of our customers. We only have 5-star reviews, so give us a call, 954-561-2499. It's gorgeous 2020 Chevy Express, 77,000 miles. We will price this thing to sell, so don't hesitate to give us a call anytime. Thank you.